Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a very detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a crispy layered sweet pastry. Popular during the Christmas season, this light and crunchy treat is a heavenly delight. Do try them out this Christmas and impress your loved ones. Our delicious and irresistible recipe for today is angel wings. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2.5 cups or 300 grams of sieved all-purpose flour or maida, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 pinches of salt, half a cup of sugar powder. 2 tablespoons will be needed while preparing the dough, and the balance powder will be used to sprinkle on the cooked angel wings. Sugar powder can be made by grinding the sugar in a dry mixer. 4 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of melted ghee or clarified butter. 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Take the corn flour in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of melted ghee or clarified butter. Mix it well to make a smooth and fluffy paste. The other 2 teaspoons of melted ghee will be used later while making the dough. Ghee paste is ready. Step 2. Preparing the dough. In a container, take the sieved all-purpose flour or maida. Add the salt. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. Mix everything properly. Make a well in the center. Add 2 teaspoons of melted ghee or clarified butter. Break the eggs and put them in a bowl. Whisk the eggs properly. Now add them here. Add the vanilla essence. The wet ingredients should be properly mixed with all the flour. Make a breadcrumb-like texture.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add around 5 tablespoons of water, little at a time, to knead the dough. You may add little more water if needed to make a nice pliable dough. The dough should not be too soft nor too hard. Wrap the dough with a moist muslin or cotton cloth and keep it aside for half an hour. Step 3. Preparing the angel wings. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts and shape them into round balls. Cover the remaining dough with a moist cloth at all times. Sprinkle little flour before rolling the dough. Flatten each ball and roll it into a thin circle. Make 4 portions of the ghee paste and apply 1 portion all over the rolled dough circle. Roll the dough tightly.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cut the ends. Cut the rolled dough into 3 parts. Sprinkle little flour before rolling the dough. Roll it lengthwise into 5 inches. Cut off the ends. Cut into 1-inch strips. Cover the remaining strips with a moist cloth at all times. Sprinkle little flour before rolling the dough. Roll and flatten each strip into 4-inch length. Cover the angel wings with a moist cloth until fried. Roll and flatten each strip to 4 inches. Once the angel wings are rolled, keep them covered under a moist cloth until they are fried. Step 4. Frying the angel wings. Keep an open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Take sufficient cooking oil for deep frying. To test if the oil is hot, drop a small piece of dough. If it bubbles and comes to the surface and doesn't burn, the oil is ready for frying. If it comes up too quickly, you know the oil is extremely hot, so you need to turn down the heat. If it's taking too much time to come up, you know the temperature of the oil is too low, so you need to wait till it comes to the right temperature. Once the oil is hot, add the angel wings one at a time. Start with the ones that were made first, otherwise they will dry out. Don't overcrowd the pan. Keep turning the angel wings to ensure both sides are fried equally. Ensure that they are not over-fried or burnt.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once they are golden brown in color, remove the angel wings. Place the angel wings on a paper napkin or in a strainer to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining angel wings until all are done. Using a tea strainer, sprinkle sugar powder on the angel wings while they are hot. Cool down the angel wings and then store them in an airtight container. Delicious and irresistible angel wings are ready. Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you all.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.